Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and his Indonesian counterpart Safri Samsudin today co-chaired the third India-Indonesia Defense Minister Dialogue in New Delhi. Both leaders reaffirmed long-standing strategic partnership and deepening bilateral defense cooperation between the two sides. At the meeting, both countries stressed on the importance of maintaining a free, open, peaceful, stable and prosperous Indo-Pacific guided by international laws and respect for sovereignty. India and Indonesia agreed to enhance cooperation through multilateral frameworks such as Indian Ocean Rim Association and commitment to enhancing practical cooperation in maritime domain awareness, cyber resilience and joint operational readiness. India and Indonesia also reiterated their commitment to maritime security, including coordination in the Indian Ocean. Both countries also discussed collaboration in defense, medicine, and pharmaceutical, including joint research, technology transfer, and training programs to strengthen military health resilience. They also acknowledged opportunities for cooperation in humanitarian assistance, post-conflict reconstruction, and multilateral peace efforts. Bureau Report News Now.